Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping out tonight with some new makeup 2024 and I figured we could do a testing out new makeup video today. So I do have here the New Makeup Forever foundation. So I figured we could give this a try. This is the HD Skin Hydra Glow foundation. This is the mini size. So I thought this would be a perfect way to test it out. Also, it's so great for travel as well. But I'm excited to see how much even one pump will go. So how long could we make this last for? I'm really excited to see exactly how long this would last for me and you beauties. So another thing that I'm really excited that I got tonight, I just got home from Ulta, so I got a bunch of new stuff. So we go through it now or what? I got the Madison Reed hair dye, which I'm really excited to try this because it says it doesn't have a lot of those harsh chemicals in it. So that's why I bought this, because I have been using the Revlon hair dye, which is about $3. It has always worked amazing for me, but I'm really interested in trying products and hair dye that have less chemicals in them. So this one from Madison Reed says that it's ammonia free. It says it has no harsh ingredients, so it's free of ammonia, PPD, and there's quite a few ingredients here that it's free of, which is supposed to be healthier for us. So I'm very excited to try this, even though of course this was more money. I'm not sure, because I thought I got I know the full bottle to do your whole head. This is actually the Root touch-up kit, was about $30. So I'm not sure if this was $30 as well, because my order came out to a lot. So I'm not sure why, but just really quickly, since we're here, I got the EcoTools Daily Brush Cleaner. So this is a brush cleaner that you can spray on your brushes and you don't have to wash them. You could spray it, wipe it, and they will apparently be clean. So I'm going to give this a try. And not tonight though. I guess I'll get back to you with that. Tonight I'm going to try out this. I'm going to try out this and the foundation. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. Now this has been so hard to get my hands on, beauties. It's been sold out everywhere. I've been to several Sephoras. I mean, probably if you go online you can get it. I'm not really sure online, but I went in store and every store that I went to, it was sold out. But tonight I found this one at Ulta. And now this one here though is the cool gray shade, and I was looking to get the cool black shade, but they had the tester for this. I did test it in store and it seemed to be a good match for my complexion, so I purchased it. And I gotta tell you, I tried it in store and it looked amazing. But I'm gonna show you beauties so we can do it together and test it out together. But a few other things that I picked up is the L'Oreal True Match. This is the Radiant Serum Concealer, so maybe we'll test that. I'm not sure if that's new makeup though, but actually this is new makeup. We'll test this out tonight. This is the Anastasia Lip Gloss. So these are new lip glosses, and they said this is the perfect peachy nude lipstick or lip gloss. And it's called Peachy Nude. Now I tried this in store and it was so gorgeous. So I can't wait to try it again with you beauties. And that's right, I got this Fenty gloss, and I got a few other things. I got a new shampoo here. I got another one of these IGK Good Behavior Ultra Smooth Shampoo, because I couldn't be without this. So anyway, let's just dive right in, because I'm so excited to test everything out with you beauties. Even though I did test this in store, this Precisely My Brow Wax, but I didn't really get a good test of it. You know, I just was like grab and run. I just tested and ran. So tonight we'll really be able to test it out. So let's go ahead beauties and dive right in. And also, don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I am having a giveaway. So make sure you watch this video till the end to find out exactly what the giveaway is. And as always, my giveaways are for all my subscribers. So if you want to take part in today's giveaway, even though you might not know what it is yet, but you know it's something beauty related, then make sure you're a subscriber. Give me a thumbs up if you like beauty content and this kind of beauty content. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and dive into this testing out new makeup 2024. So beauties, here is the product. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax, again, as I mentioned earlier. And so I'm really excited because now I did, again, try this in store, and look at how beautiful the packaging is. It's a very substantial size, so I really like that. So let's go ahead and try it. So I'm just gonna flick upwards. Now, a lot of people like to kind of scrub the product, and this is something I normally don't do, but let's go ahead and try it out this way. This is really great to do, to work it in backwards to start if you have very sparse brows. If you have very thin brows, this is really going to help them to look thicker. So otherwise you could just go right in and just lift them up. But by going in backwards first, it definitely makes them look so much thicker and so much fuller. Now what really strikes me about this product is that it's so natural looking, and I really shy away from brow gels and brow waxes, especially tinted ones, because normally they do wind up coming out of the tube, splashing onto my face, transferring all over the eye area, then you have to clean it up. So I normally don't ever use this kind of tinted brow product, but as you can see, and it happened in store as well, it comes out perfectly. It does not get all over. I don't know how they've done it, and it's just the perfect amount of product that comes out. This is one application. Your brows just wind up looking so natural. And you know, I noticed that the ones that I tried in store, this product that I tried in store, when I got home, my brows still looked amazing hours later. So it definitely has longevity to it. It's definitely not going to wear off on you. So this product is amazing. I see now why it's sold out everywhere. It's absolutely amazing. And now I'm going to try out this foundation here. Again, this is the Hydra Glow. So I did go ahead. I already put one pump here on my hand. So I hope you guys can see it's very serum-like so far for my first impressions. And oh, it feels very light and weightless and water-like on the skin. So that it feels like a dream. Wow. Oh, and it gives so much coverage. You wouldn't expect it because it feels so water-like in texture. It feels so lightweight, but yet it gave so much coverage. And blended, and basically I had to do no blending, so it blends itself. How amazing is that? It gives you a gorgeous glow to your skin. Wow, and this is all immediate. Normally I don't see a lot of results immediately with different foundations and things like that. So this is pretty amazing because that just gave instantaneous results. It gives such a beautiful radiance and glow to your skin. It definitely does, like it says Hydro Glow, it does give you a glow. Wow, this is a beautiful product. It actually makes you look younger because it's very effortless. It's just a beautiful, youthful glow. You look like you have no makeup on, like you just have absolutely gorgeous skin. So this is seriously one of the best products that I've tried. It does dry down. It does not feel oily on my skin. So, and I do have oily skin, so a lot of things will leave me feeling oily, but this does not. But I think this is good enough how it is. I'll just put some concealer on for that circle here that I have, this dark hollowing. I do actually have this concealer here. This is the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Now I did get a very light shade, but you know, sometimes I do that to highlight. But so far it does have a beautiful doe foot applicator. Oh, this smells like alcohol, you guys. It smells like, it actually, when I was putting it near my eye, it's kind of like stinging. Wow, I will actually return this because I don't even want to put this on anymore because I don't want alcohol near my eyes. You know, number one, my eyes are very sensitive, and also alcohol is extremely drying, so it's just going to accentuate, it's going to cause wrinkles and things like that in addition to, you know, irritation. So wow, have you guys experienced that? It smells like paint. Wow. I'm gonna return this. I'm not, and I don't return anything, but I don't even want to put any more of this on. So actually I'm just gonna put on my Fenty concealer, and I'll put on some powder, and then I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back. I just put on some of my new Fenty concealer. That concealer is very hydrating, and so it is waterproof as well. So I love that Fenty concealer, so I want to not put any more of that L'Oreal one on. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely returning that. But you guys, I forgot. I was going to just use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but I remembered that I got this new translucent. Now this is maybe not new, you know, this is new to me. This is the Sephora translucent setting powder, but it is talc free. So I'm very excited because it's affordably priced, and now it's about $14, and you're getting a good amount of product. I've already just opened it, and a lot of, you know, it distributes the product beautifully when you try to get some out, because I have so many, not so many, but a lot of times I try different setting powders and they just, the netting, the mesh, it will, no product comes out. And I know a lot of you beauties were telling me, well, to take a pin and stamp it, and I've been doing that. I got to show you in a moment. This one that I bought was such a waste. But anyway, this is the Sephora translucent setting powder. So let me just go ahead and set this. And I like that this isn't stark white, but they might have a stark white one, but this one is not. So that's really good, because I like when they have kind of a little bit of an undertone of some sort. So this one is, I don't know if they have, I know they have more shades, but I'm not exactly sure. I'll have it linked down below, but it says it's gonna keep your makeup in place for up to 12 hours. So, and it is talc free. So that is great, because you know, I love talc free, and it is a very finely milled powder. It's very smooth on the skin. It feels like a dream. It's not chunky, because I do like the CoverGirl translucent setting powder, which is also talc free, but it is a little more chunky in comparison. This one is almost like an exact dupe for the Laura Mercier. So if you like Laura Mercier, you don't have to probably spend all that money. You could get this one so far. I mean, let's see how it holds up, the makeup, but so far it seems like an exact dupe. It's silky, it's smooth on the skin, and so it so far hasn't settled into my lines. Over here I have a lot of fine lines, and so a lot of setting powders too will leave me looking cakey because I have texture, but this is very smooth, feels incredible when you apply it, so it's not chunky. So I definitely think it's gonna be my new go-to. I'm gonna just pop on a quick eye, and then I want to show you that lip gloss, and then that's everything I have for some new makeup for today, and then we'll talk about the giveaway. So I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back. I just actually put on some lashes that I got. These are new lashes from Kiss. Let me go ahead and grab them. They're called the New Natural. They say they're for that effortless minimal makeup look. These are half lashes, and they are said to give you a lifted effect. So what do you beauties think? I did get the pair. There are a few different pairs to choose from. I got the ones called Glowy Skin. And I also just put on some Dior highlighter and blush. That palette, the Backstage palette with the, here it is right here. I just put on some of this, the highlighter and the blush in this palette here. And so I think my lashes are pretty dry. Now I forgot, beauties, I did get this the other day, New Makeup 2024. This is from Freck. It's called the Makeout Club Lip Liner. So I'll pair this with the new Anastasia lip gloss. So I got this shade here. It's called 05. So hopefully this is a good match for me. It looks kind of dark. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, but it's nice though. It's dark though, but it's nice. Very creamy. It feels so good. It's gliding on my lips. So it is a little bit deeper than I anticipated, or maybe I might have purchased this shade because I like to mix in the lighter with the deeper lip liners, and I do have a few light ones, so I might have been using this. I might have purchased this as my deeper shade. Take a lip brush and kind of diffuse it. I love this though. This color is so different. I just want to show you the true color. Guys, here I have this new Anastasia lip gloss, Peachy Nude. So here it is. Let's go ahead and just put some in the center. So this is the lip. What do you beauties think? The color is absolutely stunning. Now, so beauties, that's everything I have today for our Testing Out New Makeup 2024. What do you think of these makeup items? I'm literally in shock at how much I love, I'm in love with this lip gloss. I'm definitely going to get another one of those Freck lip liners. That is Clean Beauty as well, I believe. I'm just going to get the lighter shade just to mix them in together. But this foundation is absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe how smooth my skin feels. It doesn't feel oily at all. This gave a smoothness to my complexion, or is it, you know, it could also be that Sephora translucent setting powder. That might be doing it as well, because that seemed amazing. Such a great dupe. You know, I love Laura Mercier, but it's pricey. And when you're someone like a beauty lover like us, you go through translucent setting powder a lot. And so the Sephora translucent setting powder was about $14 in comparison, and they do usually have sales too sometimes where they're like 30% off. But anyway, beauties, oh, and this brow product, amazing. So I'm so lucky. I lucked out again with so many good makeup items. Oh, and guys, I gotta tell you, while I was just doing my makeup, you know, off camera, I said, let me try this, clean my brushes while I'm using them. This is a dream. It has no fragrance. It just cleaned my brushes so fast, faster than the Beauty Blender cleanser. So this is amazing, and made them look cleaner. I just cleaned a dingy kind of brush that I've had, and you know, with bronzer, my bronzer brush, it's very hard to clean. This just cleaned it in about 30 seconds, less than 60 seconds. So this is truly amazing. Instant dry, it really is. So I did get this at Ulta. I'll have everything linked down below that I showed today with the shop with YouTube feature. If I can't link it with the shop with YouTube feature, I'll link it in the comments or in the description. You could always DM me for a link and I will definitely get that for you. And beauties, before we go, don't forget to take part in today's giveaway, which is for a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card. So just be a subscriber, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and also comment hashtag or the word GlamFam down below so I know that you want to take part in this giveaway. So anyway, dolls, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.